Hey guys, I'm Nicholas live in Laguna Beach, California, one of the most beautiful beaches I've seen in California. Reminds me of Europe, very beautiful. Here's Rafael Groswirt, the CEO of NLC and CryptoFantasySports.com, and of course, Will Walker, our advisor, who is used to be a professional Hollywood actor and now is an expert on equities and advises many other important businesses as well. Now, this is a very beautiful day, and where are we right now exactly?
We're right here at our semi-private golf club here in Laguna Beach, right across from the beach itself. It's a really famous country club, private country club. We just finished lunch. It's home to many top money managers, financial individuals, very successful people, very top artists. Some of the top sculptors, painters, artists from all over the world live here, have homes here, and they go upwards from 10, 20, $30 million on up. Starter home here is about $10 million US. But the good news is almost everyone here is very excited about cryptocurrency, blockchain events. They're very aware, very connected. These are very well-educated people for the most part, and they're connected internationally. So it's very exciting to have both Rafael here and also Nick and his father. It's very exciting to show them this world-famous beach to both financial wizards, gurus, as well as artists.
Exactly. Now, I gotta say, with all this, news about Bitcoin, and we broke 11,000 right now, there is really good news happening in Canada that you are very much aware of. There is good news happening in Puerto Rico, but all these new places who are really, really accepting cryptocurrency and are basically welcoming it. Is that correct?
Absolutely. I'm very excited. The Canadian government is even putting together a proposed ICO platform where they're going to have Canadian government-backed securities back ICOs that the government picks and deem to be quality and offering them with their own government assets behind them. So that's exciting news on the ICO and on the fronts of new emerging companies like NoLimitCoin and others that are looking for, government approval and worldwide acceptance. But this is a real big deal in North America. Also in Canada, they just launched the first ETF, which is kind of a mutual fund for a number of crypto assets and blockchain assets. And those are also being put through the Toronto Stock Exchange, I believe. So very exciting things around the world, a lot of credibility. There's certainly going to be a great, I think, wall of institutional money that's been waiting to get in that is now going to be what I consider was a tidal wave of waiting money and interest and excitement into this field. So you couldn't have picked a better time, a better year, a better place to be involved in digital assets, in the blockchain, and to find a really good quality company like NoLimitCoin with an extremely well-run management here, Rafael Groswirt.
Thank you.
Who's a very dedicated CEO, gotta say myself.
Thank you very much. Very nice introduction. Very interesting what Will has to say. Very encouraging because certainly we're all looking for those places around the world that are accepting, that are positive and friendly towards crypto. Fortunately, the U.S. recently had a hearing in Congress, and it was a positive one.
Very
and apparently,
positive.
the market. I mean, I don't follow, the market in itself that much because I have to be focused strictly on what we're doing, and our plate is completely full. I'm happy right now that we're in a phase where we're actually testing NBA and that new surprise game. We're going to release them together in a couple of weeks, maybe 3, somewhere around the line of that. But that's a very, very important moment for us. It's what we live for, to deploy the new platforms that are going to bring people from all over the world, specifically NBA, that is such an international sport. So all of the things are really lining up for us. We're happy with our platform. It's stable. It's growing. By adding all of the sports going forward, I mean, first it's going to be NBA, then we've got that surprise game. But after that, MMA, MLB, cricket, and that's when we're really going to start feeling the power of so many subscribers, the growth, and then, of course, the demand on the coin. And certainly, we're knocking on all the doors in terms of exchanges. We're communicating with them, And at some point, we'll be able to announce whenever we start getting listed in other places. So things are moving ahead forward. Our team has a very high morale. Our development team is also moving ahead very strongly. So I'm very happy with what's going on with our whole project. And I thank all the participation out there. I thank Nink for coming down from Europe, and it's really been like a 2-week party. We had the meetups. Dan came down, Cam, and all his people. So it's been a great opportunity to meet face to face and discuss all of the issues. And a lot of great ideas have come up, have been kind of talked about, have been formed, and now are part of the implementation process. So it's been a very, very positive experience for me, for actually our community, just to have Nick here and going around. And today we come down to see Will, so that's a great opportunity here in his beautiful country club. So thank you very much for both of you, and thank everybody out there for taking the time and participating in this great community, great project, great coin. So